This year, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, appear to have erupted out of ether. From art and music to tacos and toilet, digital assets are selling like the 17th century exotic Dutch tulips, fetching millions of dollars in certain cases. However, are NFTs worth the money or the hype? Some analysts believe they are the bubble that will burst, similar to the dot-com mania or the Beanie Babies obsession. Others feel that the NFTs are here to stay and forever revolutionize investment. Here is how to buy non-fungible token. What is NFT? NFTs are typically Ethereum blockchain-based tokens used to verify digital ownership of whatever asset is tied to the token. The blockchain of Ethereum can be compared to a shared global database and virtual machine. A blockchain token is a piece of data that is uniquely identified and whose presence is permanently etched into the chain. Similarly, blockchain users are uniquely recognized by their wallet address. Using a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan or the Graph, anyone can access the contents of anyone else's wallet, GRT. Non-fungible tokens enable artists to distribute their work digitally without fear of counterfeiting. You could certainly duplicate the picture file from someone else's NFT, and you could also make a replica of Mona Lisa to put next to your NFT image. A non-fungible token price, like that of a fungible token like Uniswap or Aave, indicates demand for what the token represents. Consider NFTs to be an authenticated method of digital media and ownership. These NFTs cannot be ordinarily cryptocurrencies since NFT has unique value and is hence non-fungible. Other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are fungible, which means that each ETH or BTC is worth the same as any other ETH or BTC. Although NFTs can be pricey, you are getting more than simply a JPEG file. The token grants you ownership rights to the piece you receive, and you will sell your NFTs on exchanges such as OpenSea and Nifty Gateway. To claim NFTs are simply JPEG files is akin to claiming that Google image of Van Gogh's The Starry Night is the actual thing. The value of NFTs, like traditional artwork, is a derivative from possessing of the original. How is the NFTs different from cryptocurrency? NFT is an abbreviation for non-fungible token. It's often created with the same code as a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but that's where the similarities end. Physical currencies and cryptocurrencies are both fungible, which means that they may be traded or exchanged for one another. They're also worth the same. $1 is always worth $1, and one Bitcoin is always worth another Bitcoin. The fungibility of cryptocurrency gives it a reliable method of exchanging blockchain transactions. NFTs are distinct. Each contains a digital signature that prevents NFTs from being swapped for equal to one another, hence non-fungible. Because they're both NFTs, one NBA Topshot clip isn't the same as everyday's. What are NFTs used for? Blockchain technology NFTs provide artists and content providers with a one-of-a-kind possibility to monetize their work. Artists, for example, no longer have to rely on galleries or auctions, houses to sell their work. Instead, the artist can sell straight to the consumer as an NFT, allowing them to keep a large portion of their revenues. Furthermore, artists can automate royalties so they receive a percentage of revenues anytime their artwork is sold to a new owner. This is an appealing feature because most artists do not receive future proceeds after their work is sold. Art isn't the only method for profit from NFTs. Charmin and Taco Bell, for example, have auctioned off themed NFTs, art to generate revenue for charity. Charmin's offering was the NFTP, non-fungible toilet paper, and Taco Bell's NFT art sold out in minutes, with the highest bids coming in at 1.5 wrapped Ether WETH, equivalent to 3,723.83 at the time of writing. 9Cat, a GIF cat with a Pop-Tart body from 2011, sold for nearly $600,000 in February. As of late March, NBA Topshot had sold more than $500 million. A single LeBron James highlight NFT sold for more than $200,000 on eBay. Here's how to buy NFTs. Number 1. Purchase Ethereum. Because a majority of NFTs are Ethereum-based tokens, most marketplaces for these collectibles only accept ETH tokens as payment. If you already have an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, you can use it to buy Ethereum and send it to your Metamask wallet. Number 2, connect your MetaMask to OpenSea or another NFT marketplace. There are numerous marketplaces where you purchase and trade NFTs. You'll be able to purchase various forms of the art collectibles depending on whether marketplace you choose. Many of these websites include secondary marketplaces with a wide range of NFTs, although each platform works slightly different. MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet that can be accessed via the Chrome extension and a mobile app. You will need an Ethereum wallet to sign up for OpenSeas and other NFT sites. Simply download MetaMask, create a wallet, and transfer the ETH you just bought from Coinbase. If this is your first time dealing with cryptocurrency wallets, check out the free Crypto and DeFi 101 guide for a step-by-step video walkthrough. OpenSea is an Ethereum-based marketplace for NFTs. Users can trade non-fungible tokens for cryptocurrency by interacting with the network. It houses a wide range of digital collectibles, including video games, objectives, and digital artwork. A Web3 cryptocurrency wallet such as Metamask is required to use the platform. Your Ethereum wallet address serves as a username and password, allowing you to communicate with sites such as OpenSea. After you've connected your wallet, you can begin browsing the market and putting bids. Here are a few more most prominent NFT marketplaces. Super Rare is an NFT social network. Each piece of the platform is one of a kind, and users can buy and sell these one-of-a-kind pieces on platform's website. Because the platform uses the Ethereum network, you must fill your account with ETH tokens in order to make a purchase. Gemini, the famous cryptocurrency exchange, owns Nifty Gateway, an NFT marketplace. The platform collaborates with well-known artists such as Steve Aoki, Grimes, 3LAU, and others to release artwork on the primary network. The company also includes a secondary marketplace where collectors can resell their artwork. You can fill your Nifty account with Ethereum or use their website to connect a credit card. NBA Topshop is an online marketplace for official certified NBA collectibles. This digital good offers a novel spin on basketball cards. They're more interactive than regular trading cards. The cards, for example, include in-game highlights of the highlighted players. The most expensive card sold on the NBA Topshop was a LeBron James dunk card, which included a video of James dunking on the Houston Rockets and sold for more than $200,000. Number 3, buy your NFT. After you finance your account, purchasing an NFT is a simple process because most marketplaces use an auction style. You need to enter a bid for the NFT you want to buy. For NFTs with several prints, certain marketplaces operate more like an exchange, employing the highest bid and lowest ask. One advantage of obtaining an NFT from the primary market is the possible resale value immediately after the product is sold. Some high-demand NFTs will sell for 5 to 10 times their initial price shortly after their debut. The disadvantages of purchasing NFTs on the secondary market is that it is difficult to predict the art's demand. You can compare your purchase to past sales on the secondary market. How are NFTs created? Marketing an NFT is a fairly simple process. All you have to do is create an account with a marketplace that allows its members to create NFTs, such as OpenSea. You don't need to know how to create the ERC-721 NFT token or have any prior blockchain experience. Although anyone can manufacture an NFT, this does not imply that you can profit from selling them. Tons of NFT creations by random persons never sell or sell for ridiculous low prices. The medium must be significant in order for the NFT to be valuable. NFTs frequently gain value as a result of artists' fame or the media's historical relevance. Pros and cons of NFTs. Artists that create digital material certainly benefit from NFTs. Prior to NFTs, it was incredibly difficult to authenticate the validity of digital media because anyone could copy and paste a file. However, not all NFTs are valuable, and there are distinct advantages and disadvantages to NFTs. Here are the pros. Number 1, non-fungible tokens make it simple to buy and sell digital media over the internet. Number 2, these tokens make it simple to validate legitimate artwork and digital ownership by utilizing the blockchain. Number 3, NFTs have the potential to make collectibles such as trading cards more dynamic and interesting. Here are the cons. Number 1, some collectibles have been extraordinarily expensive as a result of the NFT craze, and they may not keep their worth in the long run. Number 2, if you do not store your NFTs securely, they may be hacked in the same way other cryptocurrencies are. So what do you think about these on how the non-fungible tokens NFT? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.